QHYCCD is proud to present its new line of scientific CMOS cameras, with particular emphasis on two new models designed for the amateur market, the QHY268C and the QHY600. The QHY268C promises to be a game changer for single-shot color imaging. The QHY268C uses a Sony IMX571 APS-C format CMOS sensor. The IMX571 sensor is a back-illuminated 26-megapixel APS-C format CMOS sensor with 16-bit A to D, 3.76 micron pixels, and a full well capacity of 50,000 electrons. APS-C format has a large 28mm diagonal measurement, about two-thirds the size of a full-frame 35mm format. With read noise as low as 1 electron and 0 amplifier glow, the QHY268C can achieve a signal-to-noise ratio greater than 3:1 with a signal of only 4 to 6 photons. This is ideal when conditions are photon limited, making this large area sensor excellent for deep sky imaging, sky surveys, and time domain astronomy. 16-bit A to D provides high sampling resolution with no sample error noise and extremely low read noise. Full-frame 26-megapixel 16-bit images can be captured at 6 frames a second, with video rates available for selected regions of interest. A 2 GB DDR3 image buffer is built in. The back-illuminated sensor provides not only twice the sensitivity as a front-illuminated sensor, but greater full well and dynamic range as well. Two-stage cooling assures extremely low dark current. Based on the performance of similar sensors from Sony with 3.76 micron pixels, we estimate the dark current will be less than 1/100th of an electron at typical operating temperatures. The retail price of the QHY268C camera is $23.99. The QHY600 uses the new Sony IMX455 full-frame 35mm format CMOS sensor available in monochrome or color. The IMX455 is a back-illuminated 61-megapixel sensor with read noise as low as 1 electron and nearly 90% QE. The IMX455 has 3.76 micron pixels, 16-bit A to D, and extremely low dark current. The QHY600 has a full well capacity greater than 51,000 electrons. In extended mode, the full well capacity is greater than 80,000 electrons unbinned, greater than 320,000 electrons bin 2x2, and greater than 720,000 electrons bin 3x3. The QHY600 is capable of only 1 electron of read noise at high gain, and up to 4 full 60-megapixel frames per second. Peak QE is close to 90%, and dark current is only 3/1000ths of an electron per pixel per second at -20 degrees C. The QHY600 is available in two versions. The photographic model uses a USB 3.0 interface and can deliver 2.5 full frames per second at 16 bits, or 4 full frames per second at 8 bits. The professional model has USB 3 plus two 10 GB optical fiber ports. It can deliver 4 full frames per second, 16 bits, or 10 frames per second, 14 bits, and can also produce 30 frames a second at 8K video. It has a programmable trigger port in or out, and a customizable field programmable gate array for custom programs. An early bird version of the QHY600 is available for $5,000.